Hi teachers, my name is Sarah Nance and I am in the English department here at Eagle Crest. This is my 11th year here, and I'm finally to the point in my career where I can engage in some professional development that really is designed to help my own practice. And one of the tools that I discovered and really worked a lot with this summer is this add-on slash website called Pear Deck. We used to have one, a license for our school a couple years ago, and I kind of dipped my toes in the water, but we lost the license, and now I have my own membership, and it ended up being a lot better. And they've really upgraded it in the interceding years if you were familiar with Pear Deck in the past. Pear Deck is an interactive slideshow. That's the best way I can describe it. So you can create one from scratch, or you can actually upload your previous Google Slide presentations or PowerPoint slides, and you can convert them in a way that allows your slides to be interactive with students. And what I mean by that is that they can follow along with you in real time in class, or they can do it if they're quarantined or if they're remote, and they can work at their own pace. And the questions are they're very formative, so you can ask a kid to drag something or draw something right on the slide or respond with text. And this is a good tool for, again, keeping students engaged, finding out if they're with you, and you don't have to stand up in front of the class and lecture. The kids have a lot more accountability with this. So this has really helped a little bit of my anxiety looking ahead to this year, not knowing if we're going to be in person the whole class or the whole year for our classes, or if we're going to be quarantined, or if we're going to be remote. This has really helped me kind of come to terms with that, because I know that with Pear Deck, I don't have to deliver the content. The content is there, and it's kind of up to the kids to engage in that content because I've provided it for them. So this HyperDoc that I have for you is really just a couple of links that are right from Pear Deck. And so there's just videos, really, and they're quick videos, or under 2 minutes long each one. And help videos 1, 2, and 3 are about just how to get the add-on, how to get started, and the videos really are great. That actually taught me so much more than just listening to somebody. There's a couple other features that you're going to want to play around with, videos 4 through 9. I linked a couple of the examples that I created this summer, and there's also a part on the website of Pear Deck where you can look at some templates that have already been created from teachers that you could copy into your own drive and then actually use. I also have a session for you to join as you look at this. It's not linked, but once you get the link to the actual HyperDoc, you'll be able to join my session, which I have in student paced mode, and respond as if you were a student to kind of see what it's like from the student's perspective. And then there's a couple other resources down here, just some tips for the remote learning student, some tips for teachers trying to keep it all straight, just really a lot of really good information out there. So enjoy, and please, I look forward to seeing your responses in my session, and for any feedback as you get acquainted with and experienced in Pear Deck. Thanks so much. Enjoy.